Chandler's mother was beaten half to death in a home invasion last week. He was granted compassionate leave. Before leaving Saudi Arabia, someone gave him $250,000. Told him if he delivered it to an address in Los Angeles, they wouldn't go back and finish the job on his mother. He was an easy target, only child. Local informant tipped us off. Chandler agreed to work with us. On the way to the drop, someone took a shot at him. Kid panicked. Tried to get home to his mom in West Virginia. Got as far as D.C. Think it was tied to an arms deal case we're working on over there. Want you to liaison with them. See what you can find out. Pick an agent to go with you.